Hello everyone, this is Aishi Mida. Currently I am pursuing MBA Finance from Chitkara University and I am from Section A. And moving ahead, let's move to the topic tender offer. Today I would like to discuss a significant aspect of corporate finance that often plays a crucial role in shaping the destiny of companies and their shareholders. Let's talk about something important in the business world, tender offers. A tender offer is like a company's invitation to its shareholders to sell their company's shares at a specific price. Imagine you have some shares of a company and that company says, "Hey, we want to buy some of those shares from you at this price." It's a bit like a company saying we want more control of our own business. Now, here's the interesting part. It's your choice. You can say yes and sell your shares, or you can say no and keep them. It's up to you. This is one of the key aspects of a tender offer. It is voluntary in nature. Shareholders have the choice to participate or decline the offer. This decision can be influenced by the offered price, market conditions, and their own assessment of the company's future prospects. This can be a friendly or hostile takeover attempt. In a friendly tender offer, both companies agree to the terms, usually aiming for mutual benefits such as synergies and growth opportunities. Shareholders have the choice to accept or reject the offer. In a hostile tender offer, the acquirer attempts to buy shares directly from the target shareholder without the target's consent. This often leads to continuous battles for control and can have significant legal and financial implications. Tender offers are regulated by rules to make sure everyone is treated fairly. This means no secret tricks or unfair deals. These offers are often used in situations like mergers and acquisitions. A company might want to buy a lot of shares in another company and they use a tender offer to do that. Or a company might want to buy some of its own shares to make the remaining ones more valuable. In conclusion, a tender offer is like a company asking its shareholders if they want to sell their shares, and it's a big deal in the world of business. Thank you for your attention.